Viewers, today we are talk about Eugene Zimmerman, a pioneer of American cartooning. Eugene Zimmerman, often referred to by his pen name Zim, was a seminal figure in the development of American cartooning. Born on 25th May 1862 in Basel, Switzerland, Zimmerman emigrated to the United States with his family when he was just 7 years old. His journey from an immigrant child to one of the most influential cartoonists of his time is a tale of talent, determination, and an enduring impact on the world of visual art. Zimmerman's family settled in an immigrant neighborhood in Brooklyn, New York, where he was exposed to the diverse cultural milieu that would later influence his work. His early education was limited and he left school at the age of 12 to help support his family. Despite this, his passion for drawing was evident from a young age. He practiced relentlessly, drawing inspiration from the bustling city life around him. Zimmerman's formal entry into the world of cartooning began in 1883 when he was hired by Poke magazine on of his leading humor magazine of the time. Poke was known for its vibrant political and social satire, and Zimmerman quickly made a name for himself with his sharp wit and distinctive style. His cartoons often featured exaggerated character and clever community, which resonated with the magazine's audience. By the late 1880s, Zimmerman had become a permanent figure in the cartooning world. He moved to Judd magazine, Puck's main competitor, where his career flourished. At George, he created some of his most memorable work, often focusing on political themes and social issues. Zimmer's ability to capture the essence of public figures and everyday characters alike made his cartooning both humorous and thought provoking. Zimmerman's style was characterized by bold lines, exaggerated features, and a keen eye for detail. His work was not just about making people laugh. It was a form of social community. He had a unique ability to distill complex issues into a simple yet powerful issues testament. He influence extended beyond the realm of humor magazines, impacting the broader field of illustration and political cartooning. One of Zimmerman's notable contributions was his role in founding the American Association of Cartoonists and Caricaturists in 1923. This organization aimed to promote the art of cartooning and support the professional interests of cartoonist Zimmerman's relationship and vision were instrumental in establishing cartooning as a respected profession. In his latter years, Zimmerman continued to draw and teach, sharing his expertise with aspiring cartoonists. He published several books on the art of cartooning, including Zim's Correspondence School of Cartooning, Comic Art, and Character, which provided valuable insight and practical advice for budding artists. Eugene Zimmerman passed away on March 26, 1935, leaving behind a rich legacy that continues to inspire cartoonists to his day. His work is remembered not only for his humor but also for his incisive commentary on society and politics. Zimmerman cartoonist captured the spirit of his time, reflecting the challenges and change of an era while influencing future generation of artists. Eugene Zimmerman was more than just a cartoonist. He was a pioneer who helped shape the field of American cartooning. His journey from a young immigrant to a celebrated artist is a testament to his talent and through his cartooning. Zimmerman provided a window into us social and political landscapes of his time, and his legacy lives on in the world of visual stirs. His work remains a vital part of the history of American art and a source of inspiration for those who follow in his footsteps. Eugene Zimmerman, often referred to as Zim, was prominent cartoonist and illustrator in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His work was widely recognized for its humorous social community and sensitive style. Here are few key aspects of his artwork. Zimmerman was known for his characters that often poked fun at political celebrities and social issues of his time. His work often appeared in humor magazines such as Judge and Poke. His illustrations were detailed and expressive, capturing the personalities and quirk of his subjects. He used bold lines and exaggerated feature of emphasizes the humorous aspect of his subjects. Zimmerman's influence can be seen in the work of many later cartoonists and illustrators. He was a mentor to several young artists and played a significant role in the development of American cartooning. Please like and subscribe my channel.